Welcome to Lolly Publishing, where we publish kids' books with heart. If you're an author or an illustrator, we want you to have the most success possible in selling and marketing your new book. Today in our book marketing series on how to use marketing tools, we will be going over how you can create your own free Canva account. Now, what's Canva and how can it help you? Canva is a content creation tool with several different templates to help you create things like logos, calendars, social media posts, and so much more. It's been made to be simple and easy enough to use even for non-designers. Canva will become a crucial tool for you as you start to create content to help promote and market your book. So let's go over how you can get your own account. First, type in canva.com or type in Canva, C-A-N-V-A, into the Google search bar. It should be the first site to pop up. Once you're on Canva, at the top of the page in the right-hand corner, there will be a button that says Sign Up. Click this button and you'll get a page like this. You'll have an option to sign up with your Google account, your Facebook account, or your email. If you choose your email, you will simply put in your name, your email address, and create a password. After you finish these steps, you can hit Get Started. Perfect! Now you have your own free Canva account. There is a version of Canva you can choose to pay for, but the free version has more than enough tools to help you in your marketing endeavors. To learn more about how to use these tools, check out our next video, How to Use Canva Tools. When it comes out, it'll be linked in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. You're on your way to becoming more successful in promoting your new book. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and click subscribe to see more videos like this one. Have a great day and congratulations on your new book.